In this video I will explain you how to download and install Windows 11. So let's get started. With the announcement of Windows 11, Microsoft also has launched a tool called the PC Health Check tool. It meant to detect whether your existing Windows 10 or 7 computer can be upgraded to Windows 11 or not. Check description of the video to download PC Health Check tool. After installing the PC Health tool, click on the Check Now button to start the system analyzing process. Soon, it will let you know whether you can upgrade your existing Windows 10 or 7 to Windows 11 or not. The minimum system requirements for running the Windows 11 system is support for a 64-bit CPU, dual-core processor, 4 GB of memory, and 64 GB of storage space. Windows 11 also needs to support TPM 2.0 and WDDM 2.0 drivers. If your PC meets the Windows 11 device specifications for upgrade requirements and supported features, then all you need to do is to download and install the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. You can find the link for download on description of this video. After you download the Installation Assistant, select Run. You need to be an administrator to run this tool. Once the tool confirms the device hardware is compatible, you will be presented with the license terms. Select Accept and Install. Once the tool is ready, click the Restart Now button to complete installation on your computer. It might take some time to install Windows 11, and your PC will restart a few times. Make sure you don't turn off your PC. If this video was helpful for you, then subscribe to our channel.